Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we have a very special diamond painting haul because this is no ordinary haul. This, well, it sort of is, but this has come from Vinted. However, it's from a well-known YouTuber called Crafting with Hannah. Yes, in her video she's always mentioning her Vinted page, and I thought, oh, I wonder if she's got anything on there that may interest me. And I asked for it and she sent me it, and I thought, oh, I'll have a look and see what I can find. And yeah, she had a few diamond paintings on there, and it feels really strange getting like a package from someone you know on YouTube. It's quite strange. I have purchased this with my own money, as you can see the InPost label there, but yeah, as you can see, it's just, oh, can't wait to get into this. Now, she has very kindly given us a little parrot there, and it could be Rio from Crazy Borgies, because Louise has a little parrot called Rio. And yeah, I love these manning bags, Hannah, so you'll have to let me know where you got these, because I'm always on the lookout for bags when I sell my things. So yeah, I haven't really been listing much the last couple of weeks because I've sold everything that I really want to sell. So, yeah, right, let's get into the package. And, oh, that's nice. Look, she's bubble wrapped it. Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever had a painting that's been bubble wrapped before, so you can tell the care that's gone into this. And, yeah, it's got, what can I say except thank you. You're very welcome indeed. I love the fact you bubble wrap this. I think this is great. Now, as you know, we're doing a zoo theme throughout August, and this popped up on Hannah's page. And I thought, oh, yeah, I've got to add that. And I think I paid £3. I can't remember, but it was fairly cheap. So I was like, oh my God, I've got to add that. Now, this parcel, Hannah lives right the way over near Heathrow. So when it got to Heathrow, I was like, oh my God, is it going out the UK? Because Heathrow's like, oh gosh, probably the other side of London. But it went from Heathrow down to Coventry. So this is the funny thing. It went from Heathrow, past Braintree, past Ipswich to Coventry. And then it had to come all the way back from Coventry to Ipswich to me. Like, I don't know why they can't deliver it to Basildon, because Basildon is where Amazon come. But it could be that their nearest, you know, depot is Ipswich. But yeah, so very, very excited to get into this, because this will join my ever-growing collection of parrots, because it is a parrot painting. And it's funny because all the 30x40s I've bought, I still haven't done, and they're from like 2 years ago. But yeah, look at this. I mean, oh. Now it does look like it is the pixelated one, so it could be an old style. But for me, what really interested it with me is there's birds, and it's all surrounded by trees, and that's what did it for me. It's got to have the wow factor for me to buy it. And yeah, look at this. Oh, just look, it's so gorgeous, isn't it, with all the flowers? I think this is absolutely stunning. So Hannah, why didn't you want this painting? Because I know you love your birds as well. I mean, oh my God, how can you not say no to this, people? Oh, yes, 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 yes. I love it. I absolutely love it. What I love, as I said, what I was drawn to about this, in the film Rio, it's about these two blue parrots, and they're always surrounded by flowers as well. And that's, it just gave me that, reminded me of that film. As you can see, there's all different exotic flowers going on here. You've got all the parrots here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that might be one there. You can't see, this definitely must be an old style because you can't see the eye on here, but that doesn't matter. Unfortunately, this does look like an old style one, which is probably why Hannah wanted to sell it. But for me, I think it's great. Yes, there's not going to be detail in the eyes. However, let's do it. Let's see how it comes on. I just love it. I think it's really nice. It's giving me a vibe of Corfu as well. If you've ever watched the Durrells, they always film like near the sea and stuff, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful scenery out there with all the beaches and the, you know, the waves and that. And I just think this is fabulous. You've got a bit of the beach there, you've got that lovely river, and then they're all sort of sitting in the tree having a rest. I think this is absolutely stunning. The stick is okay. we've got 18 colours, and it's a landscape. I'm so used to doing portrait, so yeah, I'm really excited about this. We got our standard tray again. And again, the number one rule, I do not open single bags, because it takes, I like it when you open it and they're all sort of lined up. I don't like to shove them all. Well, you know, when you open it and then you put them all back in, they never seem to go in the same way you got them out. So yeah, this is fabulous. I really can't wait to get this done. It's so beautiful. Lots of lovely colours there, and the pink's nice as well. But this, I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. And when I saw it, it's like, right, quick, I need to buy this before someone else buys it, because it's so gorgeous, isn't it? Now, I'm undecided whether to do this for the zoo theme or not, because we have got a parrot in filming at the moment. So I did say that I don't want to do 2 of each animals, but if we bring back a bird theme, which we have done in the past, we will definitely bring this into it. But absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely beautiful. What a wonderful painting. So yeah, and if you want to check out Hannah's Vinted page, it's called Pre-Loved. That's P-R-E-L-O-V-E-D, Pre-Loved with Hannah. So that's Pre-Loved with Hannah, and I'll put the link. I don't think I can do a link actually, but anyway, it's called Pre-Loved with Hannah. I'm sure you guys will find it. If you go into the Vinted page, it will say search item, or if you flick it to members, it will say search member. But yeah, she sells mainly clothes, board games, but occasionally some diamond paintings. But yeah, so, and you can always follow the page, so whenever you whenever she uploads, you'll get a notification that she's uploaded something. She does upload quite frequently as well, so yeah, she's always uploading wonderful things. But anyway, I'm itching to get into this painting. I think I might start it today. However, it's like 5:30, so I'm not sure. Maybe if I just kit it up. Yeah, I just want to dive into it. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. And if you haven't done so already, tap that notification bell, and then you won't miss out on the diamond paintings on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye now.